This is Humanity and End Time Events, a YouTube channel that collect daily footages of disasters happening around the world, fulfilling the End Time Bible's prophecies. Well, if it's your first time, subscribe now and share it to as many people as you can. We are responsible to create awareness for our loved ones who lives a normal lifestyle as usual, like the people during the days of Noah, even in the midst of disasters. Please watch till the end.